students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree College online classes. Today, now I am going to discuss topic chemical reactions of carbonyl compounds. So, first chemical property, oxidation reactions. So, what is oxidation reactions? So, actually oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms, removal of hydrogen atoms are called oxidation reaction. So, in this reaction, oxidation of aldehydes. So, this is carbonyl compound. RC double bond OH is a carbonyl compound. So, this is aldehyde. So, oxidation of aldehydes with base. So, KMnO4 is a base to form carboxylic acids. So, this is first reaction. And another reaction, oxidation of aldehydes, acidic medium, in presence of acidic medium or acidic reagent. So, K2Cr2O7 is a acidic reagent. So, oxidation of aldehydes with base or oxidation of aldehydes with acidic medium to form carboxylic acids. In this reaction, so this is aldehyde, RC double bond OH is a aldehyde. So aldehydes reaction with the oxidation reagent with base to form carbanion, some intermediate form. So RC double bond O minus. So this reaction, removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen. So this is oxidation reagent. So simply oxidation of aldehydes. So aldehydes reacted with oxidation or basic medium to form carboxylic acid. So simply RC double bond OH reacted with KMnO4. So this is base. Or RC double bond OH reacted with K2Cr2O7. This is acid to form some intermediate RC double bond O minus carbanion intermediate form. Another reaction undergoes to hydrolysis method to form carboxylic acids and water molecule. So this is oxidation reagent. Simply oxidation means removal of protons and addition of hydrogens are called oxidation. And next reaction, reduction reactions. First one oxidation reaction, second one reduction reaction. So what is reductions? Reductions means addition of hydrogens, so removal of oxygens are called reduction. So what is oxidation? Oxidation means removal of hydrogen, addition of oxygen. This is called oxidation. So reduction means addition of hydrogens, removal of oxygen are called reduction. So first reduction reaction with H2R Ni, hydro or nickel reduction with H2R Ni. This is first reduction reaction. So reduction of carbonyl compounds with H2RNi or lithium aluminum hydride or NaBH4 sodium borate gives alcohol. Simply, carbonyl compounds reacted with H2Ni or lithium aluminum hydride or NaBH4 to gives alcohols. So this is reaction with H2 or Na. This is catalytic hydrogenation reactions. Catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Simply, carbonyl compounds reacted with H2 or Na to form alcohols. This is first reaction. Okay, and examples. So RC11OR is a ketone. RC11OR is a ketone. Ketone reacted with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borate to form secondary alcohols. So simply, ketones reacted with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride to form secondary alcohols. And next, aldehydes. Aldehydes reacted with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride to form primary alcohol. So simply, in this reaction, ketones reacted with lithium aluminum hydride to form secondary alcohols. Aldehydes reacted with lithium aluminum hydride to form primary alcohols. Another example, ketones reacted with H2RNa to form secondary alcohol. And next, aldehydes reacted with H2Na to form primary alcohol. Simply, ketones reacted with reducing reagent to form secondary alcohols. Aldehydes reacted with reducing reagent to form primary alcohols. So, in this reaction, simply, ketones reacted with H2RNa to form secondary alcohols. Aldehydes reacted with H2RNa to form primary alcohols. So, example, CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH is a crotonaldehyde. So this is aldehyde. Aldehyde reacted with H2RNa to form primary alcohols. Simply, aldehydes reacted with H2Na to form primary alcohols. Ketones, so this is ketone. Ketone reacted with H2RNa to form secondary alcohol. So this is first reduction reagents. Reduction with H2RNa. And second one, Clemmensen reduction. So this is very important reaction. Clemmensen reduction. So Clemmensen is a scientist name. So reduction also reductions. So what is Clemmensen reductions means? Aldehydes and ketones reduced to hydrocarbon. Simply, alcohols are ketones. Alcohols are ketones reacted with zinc amalgam and concentration H2HCl. So simply, aldehydes reacted with zinc amalgam and concentration HCl, concentration HCl to form hydrocarbons or alkanes. In this reaction is Clemmensen reduction. Simply, aldehydes reacted with zinc amalgam or concentration HCl to form alkanes. This reaction is Clemmensen reduction. So, zinc amalgam plus concentration HCl is a Clemmensen reduction reagents. Okay, simply, aldehydes reacted with zinc amalgam or concentration HCl. So this is Clemmensen reduction. So carbonyl compounds reduction with Clemmensen reagent to form alkanes or hydro hydrocarbons. So for example, CH3 C double bond O H. So this is aldehyde reacted with Clemmensen reagent to form alkanes. So this is Clemmensen reaction. And third reaction, Wolff-Kishner reduction. So this is also reduction reagent. Wolff-Kishner reduction. So Wolff-Kishner is a scientist name. So in this reaction, aldehydes and ketones reduce to hydrocarbons in presence of hydrogen and strong base like NaOH or KOH. So simply aldehydes and ketones reduce to hydrocarbons in presence of strong base. For example, NaOH or KOH is a strong base. To form reducing hydrocarbons. So this reaction, carbonyl compounds are aldehydes reacted with Wolff-Kishner reagents. NH2 or KOH or NaOH is a Wolff-Kishner reagent. So simply carbonyl compounds reacted with Wolff-Kishner reagent to form alkanes or hydrocarbons. Example, CH3 C double bond O H. So this is carbonyl compound reaction with Wolff-Kishner reagent to form alkanes. So this is Wolff-Kishner reduction. And last one, MPV reduction. So what is MPV reduction? MPV reduction means M means Mervin, P means Pondorf, V means Werler reduction. So this is simply MPV reduction. In this reaction, so ketones are reduced to secondary alcohols. Ketones reduced to secondary alcohols in presence of aluminum isopropoxide and isopropyl alcohol to form secondary alcohol. Simply ketones reduction with MPV reagent to form secondary alcohols. So this is MPV reduction.